Alright guys, working on a 2017 Jaguar XE. The rubber's gone on the outside of the gear selector, and we're going to go ahead and replace this. Now you can buy the whole section here, the whole console. You can buy this little section, but I'm just going to replace just the knob, and you can buy them on Amazon and eBay, and they're pretty decent quality. It's not OEM quality, but it's pretty decent. Alright, so what we're going to do is we're going to get underneath here with a straight pick. You're going to pry up on it. It will mar this up, if you can tell. I got in on the side here, but it's going to mar this up. But once you pull this up, this is glued down, so it's like a 3M sticky tape on the back side of this. But anyways, so I've already pried on this thing, and I've actually got it to pop up. So let me show you what it looks like. Okay, and it takes like a little bit of force, but underneath it, there's the glue. That's the glue holding it. You're not using this again. And then what you're going to do is you're going to take a Phillips head screwdriver, and we're going to go ahead and unscrew that. Alright, so now we're going to just get a Phillips head screwdriver and take out the screw that's right dead center. And that is what it's going to look like. Okay. And then you're just going to grab a hold and pull it straight up. There you go. Okay, see these notches here? They line up, so there's the new one has the same thing, but it has those notches. And then you just take it and then just set her down on there. Alright, so something else I want to show you before you install the new one. What you're going to do is you want to make sure, so there's tabs right here. They're interlocking tabs. And what you're going to do is, see how it lines up on your plastic knob here. And if you stick it, if you don't have it locked in, it'll turn, okay? It'll turn like this. And if you put the screw in there and you screw it down without it having lined up, then there won't be enough tension. So then when you turn it, this is going to pop in, and now it'll become loose because all the tension's not down on the center piece. So what you need to do, you need to take it, turn it until it locks into place, and you can't move this anymore. Put the screw down in the middle and then crank it down. That way it's a positive lock. This is what you want to see. Not this. You want to see it like this, so it's completely locked in. Alright, so here's the new one, and it actually feels pretty heavy. I'm going to go ahead and put the screw back in. Okay, you want to get it good and tight and make sure that's working. Yep, that's that actually does feel pretty good. So there we go. So get that nice and tight before you put that cap on. Alright, so this is the top cap, and it's a 3M that they gave us, and let's go ahead and put it on. Okay, now what we're going to do is we're going to peel this off. Okay, I'll just do this. We'll get rid of that, and then so they're both 3M. Let's line it up dead center right here. Just like that. Let's put it down. Okay. Alright, so let's go ahead and peel the other piece off here. Okay, there you go. Now what you're going to do is you're going to flip it over. Make sure that's tight. Once that's tight, drop it down in so it lines up. Okay, and then let's add some pressure. Okay, I'm going to drop this down. There, I like that. And I hope this helped you out. Please like, subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.